Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 9 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. Students, I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Today, I shall discuss with you about irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. A number which can express a number which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal and nor be a repeating decimal. A number which can neither be expressed as a terminating decimal nor repeating decimal is called irrational number. Written here, a number which can neither be expressed as a terminating nor as a repeating. Neither a terminating nor as a repeating decimal is called irrational number. One other define is all non-terminating and non-repeating decimals are called irrational. Once again, all non-terminating decimals and non-repeating decimals are called irrational. Students, there are different types of rational numbers. Pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is a rational number, but pi is a irrational number. The value of pi is non-terminating and non-repeating, so pi is a irrational number. So type 1 example, type 1. Example type 1. 0.01 001 001 0001 401 ... And next 0.21 221 221 and 421 ... Now type 2 example. Type 2 example is if m is a positive number, if m is a positive number which is not a, if m is a positive number or positive integer, positive number means positive integer. If m is a positive number which is positive integer, right? Sorry. If m is a positive integer which is not a perfect square, then root m is an irrational. Example, root 2 root 3, root 5, root 6, root 11, etc. Here 2 is a positive integer, 2 is not a perfect square. Root 3, 3 is a positive integer, 3 is not a perfect square. So root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 11, etc. are the examples of irrational numbers. Now type 3 is type 3. Type 3 if m is a positive integer, if m is a positive integer which is not a perfect cube, which is not a perfect cube, then cube root of m is an irrational. Type 3 examples. If m is a positive integer, which is not a perfect cube, then cube root m is an irrational. Examples. Cube root 2, cube root 3, cube root 7, cube root 18, cube root 30, etc. These are the example of irrational numbers. Type 3 irrational number. Now properties. Properties of irrational number. Students, irrational number satisfy commutative law, associative law, and distributive law of addition and subtraction. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication also. Now, first property is sum of two irrational numbers need not be a irrational. Example, 2 plus root 3. One example also, sum of a rational number and a irrational number is a irrational. The difference of one rational number and one irrational number is a irrational. The product of one rational number and one irrational number is a irrational number. And the quotient of a rational number and an irrational number is also a irrational number. So the sum of two irrational number is not a irrational. So 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number and 2 minus root 3 is another irrational number. 2 plus root 3 irrational number, 2 minus root 3 is also an irrational number. The sum of two irrational numbers is not neither irrational. So 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. 3 2 plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel equal to 2 plus 2 4. So sum of two rational number, sum of two irrational number is a rational number here. Second, the difference of two irrational number is need not a irrational. The product of two irrational number need not a irrational. Quotient of two irrational number need not a irrational. So difference example, 2 plus root 5 minus 3 plus 3 plus root 5. Remove the bracket. So 2 plus root 5 minus 3 plus sign change into minus sign, minus root 5. 2 plus root 5 minus 3 minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 5 cancel. 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is a rational number. And third, product of two irrational number need not a irrational. So root 3 into 2 root 3. Root 3 into 2 root 3. Root 3 and 2 root 3 are two irrational numbers. So product of root 3 into 2 root 3 equal to 2 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 2 into 3. 2 into 3 equal to 6. 6 is a irrational number. Similarly, division of two irrational number need not a irrational, such that root 3 divided by 2 root 3 equal to root 3 to root 3 cancel 2. 2 is a irrational number. Write it. Students, now I shall solve exercise 1C. Question number 1. Classify the numbers rational or irrational with region. Classify numbers as rational or irrational with regions. Here write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. Question number 1. Root 4. Root 4. 4 is a positive integer and it is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. So the value of root 4 is 2. 2 is a rational number. Rational number. And 3 under root 21. So factorize it. 3 into 7. Only root 21 is root 21. No changing. 21 is not a perfect square. 21 is not a perfect square. So type 2 is saying that if m is a positive integer, which is not a perfect square, is irrational number. Root m is a irrational. Then root m is a irrational number. So root 21 is a irrational number. Irrational. 3 plus root 3. 3 is a rational number and root 3 is a irrational number. We know that sum of one rational and one irrational is an irrational. So sum of it is a irrational. Reason, sum of irrational and irrational is a irrational. Here 0.6 was, so 0.6666 dot. It is a repeating number. So repeating number is not a irrational. The sign of irrational is all non-terminating and non-repeating number. All non-terminating and non-repeating numbers are called irrational. So it is rational. Rational number. Rational number terminating or repeating. All terminating or repeating numbers are rational numbers. Last 3.04, 004, 004, 0004, 404. It is not a terminating and not a repeating. So it is a irrational number. Type 1 irrational number. Write it. Next question is question number 3. Represent root 2, root 3 and root 5 on real line. Represent root 2, root 3 and root 5 on the real line. Students, first of all, I am representing root 2 on a number line. Root 2. First of all, draw a line. Draw a line. Take one point here, 0. We have to represent root 2 on the real line. So take 1 unit. 1 unit with 1 inch, 2 cm, 3 cm, such as. So O here 0 and O also. Name of this point is A. OA, the distance of OA means 1 unit. 1 unit. Similarly, draw a perpendicular line from A. On a point on A, on a point A, draw a perpendicular. Now take 1 unit also, A, B, here B. It is also 1 unit. 1 unit. Now join with the scale OB. Students, here find OB by Pythagoras. OB equal to under root OA square plus AB square. That means 1 unit, so 1 square plus 1 square equal to 1 plus 1 equal to root 2. So OB is a root 2. Now, with the help of pair of compasses, keep the middle point O and pencil point here. With the help of pair of compasses, draw an arc radius of OB. OB is root 2. Middle point fixed point O and pencil point fixed point B, and draw here. Point C, this point is root 2. Write it. Students, now represent root 3. Root 3 represent on real line. So first of all, draw a line with the help of a scale, ruler scale. Take a point here, O, and OA 1 unit, and draw perpendicular on point A. Take AB also 1 unit, Now meet a point OB. It is root 2. Now here, point B, draw also a perpendicular. And it is taken 1 unit also. Point C, it is also 1 unit. And meet point, OC. And then find OC in triangle, in right triangle OBC. OC equal to under root OB square plus OB square plus BC square. OB means root 2 square plus 1 square. So root 2 square means 2. 1 square means 1. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is root 3. So root 3 OC means root 3. So keep a middle point of pair of compasses point O and pencil point, keep point C, and with the center of O draw an arc radius OC. This time this point is root 3. So represent root 3. Now next is represent root 5. Represent root 5 on real line. Root 5. Students, similarly, draw a line. Here taken O. We have to represent root 5. So O A 1 unit and B one unit. So OB is a 2 unit. And draw perpendicular on point B. Taken AB, taken point C. C is also 1 unit. And meet join OC. Find OC in right triangle OAC. In right triangle OAC. Find OC by Pythagoras formula. OC equal to under root OB square plus BC square. OB means 2 unit. So 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square means 4, 1 square means 1. So 2 plus 1 under root 5. So OC is the value of OC is root 5 unit. Root 5 unit. Now with center O and radius OC, draw an arc. It is root 5. Students write and solve exercise 1C. Students solve exercise 1C. Thank you. That's all.